Are you looking to quickly and easily encode data with Base64? I'm Daniel Lowrie, and in this QuickByte, I'm going to show you how. First things first, you'll notice I'm in Kali Linux, and that's cool because it has a Base64 function built inside of most Linux operating systems. What we need to do is I have a couple of files here, and I will ls those. So you can see file 1 and file 2. Very simple. If I cat file 1, I have some data there, right? It says this needs to be Base64 encoded. To accomplish that, all I have to do is cat the file, which is file 1, and then pipe it over to the function Base64. When I hit return, you'll notice I get Base64 encoded string back out. Now I can use that as necessary. But if I need to reverse that function, I'm gonna kind of do the exact same thing. I have another file, which is file 2, cat file 2. And you'll see I already have that information there. But if I cat file 2 and then pipe it into Base64 and add the -d option, it should decode that, and we see that this is a Base64 encoded text. There you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But if you're not using Linux, what do you do? Well, great news is it's a pretty ubiquitous type of function that you might need to do on a day-to-day business. So the web is to our rescue. I've just found a very simple, through a Google search, base64.decode.org and base64encode.org. And you can go to either one of these sites by clicking one or the other. So let's decode some. If I paste in a Base64 encoded string, like I have such here, hit the decode button, scroll back down, you can see this is the Base64 encoded text that has now been decoded. While the other way around, pretty simple, hit the encode, and you can just type whatever you like, whatever I like, hit the old, down here, encode button, and you'll see now I have a Base64 encoded string. So that's a pretty simple way for you to encode and or decode regardless of your platform. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Lowrie, and this has been an ITProTV QuickByte.